Yeah, let me introduce E-007. It's the first battery tool for hollow wall anchor of the world. It's a patented product, very new on the market, and you will understand easily how it works. Usually the hollow wall anchor, like this kind of anchor, you have to set it, to install it with hand tools. And now with that product, you can install it with a battery without any effort, okay, for the end user. The use is very easy. You just have to press the trigger to set the hollow wall anchor. Depending on the length of the hollow wall anchor and the thickness of the plasterboard where you have to install the plug, you have to change the stroke. You have to change how you will set the anchor. And because of that, we have a special wheel to set the stroke just behind the tool here. You can set the stroke from 4 mm up to 40 mm. That's very convenient because for some very long hollow wall anchor, you have to, with hand tool, you have to press twice, 3 times, sometimes 4 times to install the long plug. Here with that tool, you can use a very long stroke, 40 mm, and set in only one pressure of the trigger the anchor. Okay. This tool is dedicated to all kinds of users installing this kind of hollow wall anchor. But of course, because it's very convenient, very fast, very easy to install, it's more dedicated to workers, to craftsmen who install, let's say, more than 20, 30, 50 plugs by day. For example, if you have to install the cabinet or some plumber for some pipes installations, this kind of thing.